Hi children, good morning. How are you? Welcome back to our English session. Yes, I hope you all understood my previous session. Yes. Have you all completed your worksheet? Very good. Okay. Okay, before go to our today's session, let's have a recap of our previous session. Okay? Do you all remember the title? Yes, very good. Who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework? Yes. Who was Patrick? Yes, very good. Patrick was a small boy. Okay, let's have a recap. Okay, Patrick was a small boy. He was not interested in his homework. When his teachers also insisted him to do the homework, but he was not interested. One day he saw his cat was playing with a doll, but that was not a doll, that was the tiniest man. What's the name for the tiniest man I told you? Yes, elf. Very good. Okay. And so he was surprised, and that elf was begged him. Okay, you just save me from the cat. I will give you a wish. Is it? Yes. That time what the Patrick did? He saved the elf and he told the elf to complete his homework to that semester, so that he can get the yes. Okay. So the elf also accepted that and it started to help him to complete the homework. But there was one problem, because the elves, even though the elf was not interested, when Patrick asked him for the help to complete the homework, at the beginning the elf was very much how to say, not interested. Is it? Not interested to do the homework. But anyway, he told that he will do a Vishnu, so that he was doing the homework. But when they started the homework, the elf was not convenient with the subjects. What is homework and how to do this? So it was very confused. So it used to shout, "Help me, like that." It used to shout. So what the Patrick did? Patrick helped him to read the words from the book. He just searched the dictionary. He read the words. Okay. Yes. Up to this one we saw in the previous session. Okay. Let's move on to our today's session. Yes. Very good. Okay. Just take your book. Do you remember the words what I told you in the previous class? Okay. Let me check you. What's breeches? Very good. Breeches means short trousers. Very good. Okay. What is Nintendo? Yes, Nintendo is a video game. Okay, very good. Then whatever we saw, glitch. What is glitch? Yes, a small problem. Okay. Let's start today's class. Yes. Yes, your page number 9. See that? When that is sixth point. Okay. When it came to math, okay, when it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. So here now they are doing the math homework. Okay, so if we do the math homework, there we have to learn the tables, formulae, and so and so. Is it? So the elf is asking, what is table? I don't know this. We elf never need this. What is that? Like that it was asking. Yes. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. I don't know what is addition, what is subtraction, division. Nothing I know. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. So the elf is saying, the elf is telling to Patrick, you just sit beside me. Beside me means near to me, and you just help me, guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. So elves know nothing about human history. Is it? So what are the human tendencies? How the human do the homework? What is their habit? Nothing the elf know. Okay. So to them it is a mystery. Mystery. What is mystery? Mystery. Yes, mystery means something unknown thing. Okay, can't find what is this. Something mystery. It is a mystery to me. I don't know about this. What is this? Like that we are saying, no, that is mystery. Yes. So the little elf already has shouted. So already the elf was shouting. I don't know this thing. I don't know that thing. You just help me, like that. It was shouting. Again, it is a big headache to him. So he started more than louder. Okay. Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. So the elf is saying, go to library. I need more books. I need more and more books. You just help me by reading. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. That what is nag? Nag. Yes. Nag means, see your book. One who troubles someone. One who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. Okay, so now the elf is always asking, asking Patrick, no, you just get that book, this book, dictionary, you just read it to me. Always saying something, and it always complaining, I don't know this thing, what is this, like that, why you do like this, like that. It was complaining, and it started to trouble Patrick. Okay, that is called nag. Yes, Patrick was working harder than ever and was in a trap. So what is that? So earlier Patrick was not interested in homework, so he never touched the book. Okay, but now elf is helping him to do the homework, but Patrick is doing more hard work, because in the sense of guiding, he need to collect the books and have to read the books, no? So never in the previous earlier and all, he didn't do that, but now he is doing that. Okay, so Patrick is working very hard now. Drag, see the drag, what is the drag? Something dull and uninteresting. Okay, he was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. See, what is that? See that word very and blurry? That is, so he is working day and night. The whole night he is working. Okay, so if we not sleep properly in the night time, what happened? While we wake up in the morning, our eyes will be reddish and it will be swollen, it will be big in size, is it? So like that Patrick was look like. Okay, so when he go to school, everyone are seeing why his eyes is like this, why it is like that, they are seeing. Yes. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. So, so we are coming to the final. So, the semester is going to end. Okay, so finally the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. So, it is the last day. So, hereafter the elf may not help Patrick to complete his work, to complete his homework. Okay, so the elf is thinking, okay, now we are free. We are free to go anywhere, any place as for our wish. So like that the elf was thinking. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. So what happened? So hereafter the elf need not do any homework. So what it do? It just quietly and slyly slipped out the home. Okay, by the back door. Okay, so what is this? Quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. So without knowing anyone. Okay, so how the cat comes into our house? If we have any milk in the kitchen, what the cat do? We will be in the home only, but it quietly comes and it's drank all the milk. Is it? We don't know whether the cat is coming there or not. It quietly comes. Is it? So like that the elf is quietly move out from the home. Okay. Yes. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. So now Patrick got his A grade. So everyone were amazed. What is amazed? Amazed. Yes, surprised, shocked. What happened? How it happened? So like that they were amazed. Yes. Why did they amazed? Yes, because Patrick got A grade. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. So the teachers also smiled. How it happened? Very good, Patrick. How? Like that they were smiling and full of praise. Praise means someone do any work means we just give them some rewards. Is it? We just say some words by encouraging them and we just say something to them. Is it? So that is praising. And his parents. So his parents also very surprised. Oh, what happened to my son? How he got A grades? In the earlier time he never do the homework, but now he got A grade. So they are also very happy. There is no words to say their happiness. Yes. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. They were wondered. Okay, what is wondered? So, same, surprised, enjoyed, happy. Okay, they were wondered. They were surprised. Okay. He was now the model kid. So now he was a model kid. He is the role model to everyone. Okay. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. So what happened now? So he totally changed. Okay, his attitude was totally changed. He used to clean his room and he used to do the homework everywhere. Wherever he go, he is very quiet and he do all the things very neatly. Okay. See what's the chores? Chores means a regular work. See that? Chores, work that must be done every day. So the work which we have to do every day, that is chores. So cleaning our room and all we should do every day. Doing the homework should be done every day. So these are the regular work. Okay. Yes, never rude. So now in the earlier time he was rude to others. Okay. Rude means very strict, not polite. Okay, but nowadays he is very kind and polite to everyone. Yes, you see in the end, yeah, you just see in the end, Patrick still thought he had made the tiny man do all his homework. So still now what the Patrick was thinking? He is thinking he made the elf to complete his homework. I said, see, but what is the true? Yes, Patrick only did his homework. Is it? Because he only searched the books, he only searched the meanings and he only read it out. Is it? So all the works he only did. The elf was just sitting there, okay, as a companion to him. That only happened. But Patrick was thinking the elf only did all the work. Is it? Yes. But I will share a secret. So the author is telling Patrick was thinking the elf only did all the work. But it was not like that. So the author is telling it as it is a secret. I just tell you one secret. But I will share a secret just between you and me. So the author is telling, I tell you a secret that is only between you and me. It wasn't the elf, Patrick had done it himself. So what is the secret? Yes, Patrick only did the homework. It is not done by the elf. Okay? Why the author is telling like that? Yes, I already told you because Patrick the author is telling? Patrick only did the homework. Even now, the Patrick didn't know this. Didn't know this. We only know. Is that it? Yes. Okay, very good. So, the author is completing the lesson in this way. Okay? Yes. What's the author name? Yes, Carol Moore. Carol Moore. Yes, very good. Okay. Shall we have a small recap? Yes, from the beginning. Okay. So, Patrick was a small boy who was not interested in his homework. Okay. And his teacher insisted him to do the homework, but he was not interested. He saw his cat was playing with the doll, so he went nearer, but he was surprised because that was not a doll, a tiniest man. Okay? The tiniest man begged Patrick to save himself from the cat, and he also told that he will grant a wish to Patrick. Okay? Patrick asked the elf to complete his homework for the whole semester, that is for 35 days. Okay? In the beginning, elf was not interested in doing the homework, but anyway he promised that he will help him so that he do all the homework. But that elf was not clear with the homework, so he always shouted for help. Patrick searched the book and read the words. Okay, when it came to math, that elf was not have any idea about that tables. Okay, addition, subtraction, that and all the elf don't know. So Patrick only did all the help. Okay, so finally at the end of the semester, Patrick got A grade. Okay, so when the end came, that elf quietly moved from the home because it thought hereafter we need not do any homework, so we can move from here quietly without anyone knows. Like that it went quietly, and Patrick got A grade. So his parents, teachers, friends, everyone were happy and surprised. And at the end, the author is telling there was a secret. Still, Patrick was thinking the elf only did the homework, but it was done by Patrick. Okay, so like that he ended the lesson. Okay, yes, what you understood from this lesson? Yes, very good. So, we should do our homework properly every day, and so that one we are learning from, yes, you. We are learning from you because we are all doing the homework now. Yes. Second one, if we come to elf, even though the elf was not interested in homework, anyway he promised, is it? So that he is doing the homework. So here we are seeing that how he saved his words. If we give any words to others, we should save that. We should do that. Is it? Yes. That one you are learning from the elf. And courage, spirit. See, even though I am not interested, okay, I will do. I can do. Like that the elf said no. So that is the courage. We should have that courage in our life. Okay. And the other thing. So Patrick, we should not think we are not able to do that thing. We are able to do everything. So Patrick was thinking, I can't do the homework, I don't like that, he was thinking at the beginning. But the end, he himself did the work. Is it? So what you are learning, you are able to do all the works, we have to try that. We should not say, I don't know that one, I don't know this one, I am not eligible to do that work, like that we should not say. We should do all the things. We are able to do everything. We should believe ourselves first. Okay? Yes. Okay, children. You just complete today's worksheet also. In the next session, we are going to see a poem. Okay. So before come to our next session, you just go through that poem, and if you get any idea about that, it will be easy to understand. Okay. Yes, very good. Just go through the poem and be safe. Take care. Bye.